Recording in progress.
Okay, so we started discussion on the periodic table, and in the periodic table we discussed about the groups, how groups are formed. Groups are formed on the basis of some similarities. Okay, some similarities. Okay, what are those similarities? That every group, the element of every group, like if we talk about the group 1, they all will have same number of valence shell electrons. Okay, valence
Yeah.
shell electrons. Like if I talk about the group 1 elements, how many electrons will be there in their valence shell? How many electrons will
One.
be in their valence shell?
One.
1. And if we talk about the group 2,
It will be two.
there will be 2. Right? So up to so on.
Yeah.
If we talk about the group 5, so in group 5, the valence shell will have 5 electrons. Clear? There is 1
Yes.
electron, there is 2 electrons. But what about the helium, neon, argon? They are from the group 8. Okay, this is known as noble group. In this they have
Yeah.
8 electrons. Okay, and that is why whenever
Mm-hmm.
okay, remember this thing, in every shell, in each shell, if there are 8 electrons, it means that shell is full. Okay, this is known as
Yeah.
octet rule.
Mm-hmm.
Octet rule means every shell, each shell for stability wants to have 8 electrons. Okay, so that's why we say helium,
Yeah.
neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, they are most stable. Why they are stable? Because they have 8 electrons in their valence shell. Clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, and yes, then we discussed about the difference between compound and mixture. As I was telling you, a compound is made up of atoms of different elements. For example, we have hydrogen, okay, and we have oxygen. We combine these two, and water will form. Okay, water will form. So
Yeah.
this is what we say, that the elements combine and they form a compound. But when we talk about mixture, a mixture contains different elements. Okay, different elements. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, they will combine, they will form water. Okay, along with this they will have sand. So there are different elements or compounds that are not bonded together, okay, that is known as mixture. For example, sand and water.
Yeah.
Okay, then if we talk about the atoms, we discussed about the that within the atom, initially in the start of this chapter they have mentioned that atoms cannot be divided, cannot be break down further. Okay, but we know that in atoms there are some subatomic particles as well. Okay, some particles are also present within the atom. And what are those particles? Those are protons.
Electrons,
Yes,
neutrons,
electrons
neutrons.
and neutrons. Clear? Okay, when we
Yes.
talk about the protons, neutrons and electrons, according to AMU, we discussed that the mass of proton will be 1 and the mass of neutron will be also 1 AMU, 1 atomic mass unit. Clear? Neutron is also 1 atomic mass
Yes.
unit. But when we talk about the electrons mass is 0. Okay, this mass is considered as 0 in comparison to proton and
Yes.
neutron. But if we talk about the charges, what will be the charge on proton?
Charge in proton.
Yes.
It will be positive.
Neutrons?
Neutron is neutral.
Yeah, there is no charge. None. Okay.
Yeah. Charge.
What about electron?
A negative.
Negative charge. Okay. It will be like this. 1 minus. This will be plus. Okay. Now we will discuss how the atom is formed. What are the things? We have discussed what are the things. What are the things in the atom?
Things in the atom.
The particles in the atom.
Particles in the atom. What's it called?
Mm-hmm.
Like the proton, neutron, electrons.
Sorry. Protons,
Can
neutrons
you
and
repeat again? Yeah, electrons.
electrons. These are known as the subatomic particles. How they are arranged?
Yeah.
Can you tell me how they are arranged?
What's it called?
Mm-hmm.
What's it called? The electron shells, like the what's it called? The neutrons are. Uh, I don't know how to explain.
In the nucleus, if we talk about within the nucleus, in the center, there will be, what will be there?
The protons and neutrons.
Yes, within the nucleus there will be protons as well as neutrons. That's why
And in
overall
the
charge
shells,
on
there
the
will be
nucleus will be, what will be overall charge?
for neutron, it will be no charge.
No, on nucleus. On nucleus, what will be overall charge on nucleus?
Positive,
Yes, it will be having
positive one.
overall positive charge. Okay. Well,
Yes,
now if we talk about the electrons, electrons revolve around the nucleus. Okay, these are the electrons. These small crosses are
yeah,
electrons. These are electrons. They
yeah,
revolve around nucleus within specific shells. Okay, within specific
yes.
shells.
Specific.
And the maximum capacity of each shell is 8 electrons. In the first shell
Yeah,
there will always be 2 electrons in the first shell. In the second shell the capacity of second shell is 8 electrons, and this will increase up to so on. There are shell and subshells. Okay. Now
yeah.
if we talk about the proton number or atomic number. What is a proton number? Proton number means how many protons are there in that element. Okay, how many protons are there? If we talk about the sodium atom, in sodium we write it like this: sodium 11 into 23. This in the bottom,
Yes.
this is known as proton number. Okay, these are number of protons. How
Yeah.
many protons are there in the sodium?
How many proton? And
Sodium
oh,
11.
sodium there is, yeah, 11.
11. These are 11, right? So you can identify
And
an
11
atom by the
electron.
number of proton it has. The number of proton in the nucleus of an atom is called its proton number. Clear? The number of atoms,
Yes.
the number of protons. What they are saying? The number of protons in the nucleus. Okay, the number of protons in the nucleus are known as proton number. Right?
Yes.
And how can we
Yes.
identify from the periodic table? If you see the periodic table on the bottom, this is known as proton number.
Yeah.
And what is this? This is known as mass number.
Yeah, master.
This is mass number. And how mass number is formed? Okay, firstly,
Electron
yes,
plus protons.
firstly, mass number means proton number plus,
Electrons.
no, not electron numbers. Total mass number means proton number plus neutron number.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, neutrons.
because electron number is same, electron number and proton numbers are same.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
don't add them. You have proton number plus neutron number. When you add these two, you get mass number. Clear? You get mass number.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about charges? How it comes to, how we know that sodium is neutral? Okay. For this you must know that every neutral neutral means the atom, this atom, it has no charge. Okay, it has no charge. It means
Yeah.
in it the proton number will be equal to the electron number. Okay, the
Yeah.
electrons
Electron.
number. Clear? So
Yeah.
how many protons were there? 11, right?
Yeah.
How
Yes.
many electrons will be there?
11.
11. So there is 11 positive charge and 11 negative. So if you add these two, plus 11
0.
minus 11, you will get 0. That's why there is a
Yeah.
0 charge on it. Okay, that's why it is
Yeah.
neutral. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Okay. The sodium atom has 11 electrons. Yeah, they have mentioned it over here. The 11 proton each has charge of plus 1. So it means there are 11 plus charge, 11 minus charge. You add them, you will get 0. So the atom has no overall charge. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, now they have discussed how many electrons will be there in the sodium. So remember this thing, in a neutral atom, every atom has an equal number of protons and electrons,
Electrons.
right? Every atom has an
Yeah.
equal number of protons and electrons. What is the nucleon
Yeah.
number or mass number? This is when you add protons and neutrons, okay? When you add protons and
Yeah.
neutrons in the nucleus, that's why it is known as nucleon number, because it is present in the nucleus, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You know, the
Yeah.
protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. So
Yeah.
collectively, their mass will be known as mass number, right? Or they will be known as
Yeah.
nucleon number, because
Yes.
when we what we say, if we have protons and neutrons, we say they both collectively known as nucleons. Clear? They both collectively
Yeah.
known as nucleons. Clear?
Yeah.
They give the atom its mass. The total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is called its nucleon number or
Yeah.
mass number. Clear?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Are you clear with this?
Yes.
What is, if I give you in the test, like there is atomic number or there is proton number, it means these two are same thing, okay? Atomic number and
Yeah. Same
proton
thing.
number are same. Similarly, nucleon number or mass number
And
are
pro.
same. Yes,
Yeah.
mass number, or what we can say, atomic mass, okay? Atomic mass, not atomic number, atomic mass, these are same
Yeah.
things, okay?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now they have mentioned the atoms of the first 20 elements. If you see this, we will start from the hydrogen. Proton number of the hydrogen is 1, so it means how many electrons will be there?
If the hydrogen, so it will be 1.
1 electron, but there are 0 neutrons. Now can you tell me
Yeah.
what will be the total mass number of hydrogen? Mass number of hydrogen.
Mass number of hydrogen.
Hmm. Mass number of
It
nucleon
will be
number.
1.
That will be 1. Why that will be 1? Because mass number is, how we get mass number? By adding proton number and
Proton
neutron number, right?
and neutron. Yeah.
Yes. How you will write hydrogen? You will write it like this: 1 and 1. It means the proton number is 1 as well as the mass number is also 1.
1.
Right? This mass number is 1. Clear?
Yes.
Why mass
Yeah.
number is 1? Because in this neutron is 0.
Yeah.
Okay. Then helium. There are 2 protons. So how many electrons will be there in helium?
If there is 2 protons, there will be 2 electrons.
कॉल कॉल कर लो नहीं आता हाँ कॉल करना जरा रोहन वेट फॉर अ मिनट
Okay.
Okay, in the helium you have we have 2, the proton number is 2. How many electrons will be there?
2.
2. And they have mentioned that neutrons are also 2. So now can you tell me what will be the mass number? Proton number is 2. What will be the mass number?
So 2 minus 2 will be, no, 2 plus 2 will be 4.
Yeah, it will be 4.
4.
Clear? It will be 4. So you will write
Yes.
it like this. Clear? It will be written like,
4.
just wait for a minute. I have to make a call.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. Let me share the notebook. We will do this on notebook. That will be easier. Okay. So we discussed about the helium, right? that
Yes.
there are, how many protons are there in the helium? There are 2 protons, right? 2
Yes.
electrons and 2 neutrons. So
Yeah.
what will be the atomic number? Atomic number is represented by Z. Okay, it is represented by Z.
Mm-hmm.
Atomic number, its representation is this. What will be
Yeah.
the atomic number?
So it will be 4.
No, atomic
4.
number, not mass number. Atomic number.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Atomic number is also known
2.
as proton number. Okay, so what will be?
Yeah, 2, 2.
Yeah, sorry.
2.
Yeah, it will be 2. Okay, what about the mass number? Mass number is represented by A.
4.
Okay, this is mass
Yeah,
number.
okay. 4.
It will be,
4.
it is also known as nucleon number. It will be 4. Clear? Okay, then
Yes.
we have, after hydrogen, helium, and then we have lithium. Okay, if we talk about the lithium, there are, in lithium there are 3 protons. Okay, 3 protons are there.
Mm-hmm.
And how many electrons will be there? If protons are 3,
If
electrons.
it will be 3.
It will
3
be 3.
electrons.
Yes. What about the neutrons? Neutrons are 4. Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
4.
what will be the atomic number and what will be the mass number?
Atomic number will be 3,
Yes. Mass number
and mass number will be 7.
7. Okay. Let's take another
Yes.
example. For example, we have aluminum. Okay, we have aluminum. The atomic number of aluminum is, I think, yeah, that is 13. 13 protons. How many electrons will be there?
13.
30. And there are 14 neutrons in it. Now can you tell me
Yeah.
atomic number and proton number? What is the atomic number?
Atomic number will be 13.
13. Proton number? 13 plus
Proton number
14?
will be 27.
Yeah, 27. Okay, now phosphorus, P. In the phosphorus we have 15 protons. So how many electrons will be there?
15.
15 electrons. What about neutrons? Neutrons are,
16.
I think in this neutrons are
16.
sorry?
16.
Yeah, 16. 16 neutrons. Atomic number of proton?
15.
Mass number?
31.
30. Okay, so this is how we categorize these, and you must remember these. Okay, you must remember these are important. This table is
Okay.
very much important. Okay, now we can do some
Yeah.
questions from here. Name the subatomic particle that make up the atom. Subatomic particle that make up the atom. Yes, what's this?
Subatomic number that makes up the atom
Mm-hmm.
has what's it called? Uh, uh, what's proton, neutron, and electrons.
Yes, proton, neutrons, and electrons. Very simple. Okay. Which substance particle has a positive charge? No charge, almost no mass. Yes. Which substance particle?
A
Which
positive
atomic
charge
particle? Not
is
substance.
the
Sorry.
proton has a positive charge.
Yes, proton has positive charge. Then,
Yeah. Neutron has no charge,
yeah, neutron has no charge and no mass.
and electron.
Yes, electron has no mass. If you see the table, in the table we discussed that electron's
Yeah.
mass is 0. Over here, you see,
Yes.
electron is taken as 0.
Yeah.
An atom has 9 protons. Which element is it? 9 protons.
Fluorine. Fluorine.
Yes, fluorine has 9 protons. How many? What is the atomic mass of fluorine? Fluorine 9 and 10. 19. Atomic mass is 19.
Yeah.
Okay. Why do atoms have no overall charge? Yes. What's the reason? We discussed it. Why there is no charge? Why overall we see that there is no charge on the atoms? Why is this so?
Okay, it got disconnected.
Hmm?
I got disconnected, sorry.
Sorry, I can't hear you. What you're saying? Can you repeat?
I was disconnected.
Okay. I was asking you the question number 4. Why do atoms have no overall charge?
Because like proton well,
Hmm?
because like like atom and electron has the same equal number.
Yes, because we say that in when we talk about the atoms, they have equal number of protons and equal number of electrons, equal number of positively charged protons as well as equal number of electrons. So that is why
Yes.
they cancel out each other and the overall charge is 0, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Define a proton number and nucleon number.
What?
Proton number. The question number 5. Question number 5.
Oh, okay. Nucleon, yeah. Okay.
Proton number and nucleon
What's it
number.
called? Yeah. So the proton, what's it called? The proton number, like the total number of proton in the what's it called? The middle nucleus.
Yes. The total number
Yeah.
of protons, because protons are always present in the nucleus. So we
Yeah.
say the total number of protons present in the nucleus are known as proton
Yeah.
number.
Atomic number.
Yeah, or atomic
Okay.
number. You can say proton number or
Yeah.
atomic number.
Yeah.
What about
And
nucleon
for
number?
nuclear number, it's always like proton plus neutrons,
Yes, you will say the total number
and
of
it's
protons and neutrons
an atom.
present in the nucleus. The protons and neutrons are present in
Nucleus.
the
Okay.
nucleus. That's why it is known as nucleon number. Okay,
Yeah.
clear? Are you clear with this? Rohan, can you hear me?
Yeah. Question number.
Okay, question number 6. Give another term
Okay.
that can be used in place of proton number. Yeah, what can we use in place of proton number?
Proton number.
I told you this.
What's it called?
Atomic
Atomic number.
atomic number. Okay, atomic.
Yeah. And for nuclear number, we can say what's it called? Mass number.
Yes, mass number. Mass number, or you can also say atomic mass. Okay, mass.
Atomic
Whenever there
mass.
is
Yeah.
mass, it is the overall mass of the protons and the neutrons. Okay.
Yes.
The periodic table gives us the element in order of.
Gives the element order of. I think when like the number increases, like the atomic number increases.
Yes, on the basis of the proton number, with the increase in proton number. You see, in this, if
Yeah.
you see this, hydrogen, there is 1 proton, helium, 2 protons, then lithium, 3 protons. Okay, so in terms of increase
Yes.
in proton number, okay, we say that
Yeah.
then it gives us information. The elements are arranged in order of increasing proton number. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Identify each atom and say how many protons, electrons and neutrons it has.
Okay, so for what's it called? Carbon, it would be
Do this
there's
and
like
send me.
6 protons and 6 electrons.
Okay. Say how
Okay,
many
I do
protons? Yeah,
this
there
and
are
send
protons
you.
6 and electrons are 6 and
6
neutrons. How
electrons.
many neutrons are there?
Neutrons, there would be. Oh, wait. 7.
In carbon. You
In
know
carbon, 6.
how
Sorry.
we calculate the neutrons? Simply, you will minus
No.
the nucleon number, you will minus from it the proton number. Okay, minus the proton number from it, you will get the neutron number. Simple.
Oh,
Clear?
okay.
Because what we say, this is nucleon number. How nucleon number is formed? Nucleon number is formed by adding neutrons and protons. Okay.
Yes.
You already know protons, so what you can do? You can minus proton from this 12. You can easily get neutron number. Are you getting my point? Like for
Yeah,
example,
and for oxygen,
yes,
it would be 8 protons, 8 electrons,
yes, exactly.
and then if we do 16 minus 8, it will be 8 neutrons.
8 neutrons. Okay, 8 neutrons.
Yes.
This I told you for neutrons. To calculate neutrons, what you can do? You can subtract.
16 minus 8.
Yeah, you can subtract atomic mass. You can subtract the proton number from the atomic mass number. Okay, A minus Z. Simple.
Yeah.
Similarly, 16
And for
minus 8.
magnesium, it would be 12 protons, 12 neutrons,
And 12
and
electrons.
neutron would be 24 minus 12, so it
Yes.
would be what's it called?
12.
The 12 neutrons. Yeah, and for aluminium, it would be 13 protons, 13 neutrons.
13 electrons.
And
Protons and electrons are
yeah,
there.
13. Yes, electrons. And neutrons would be 14.
Yeah, neutrons will be 14. Okay. What
For
about
copper,
the?
it will be 20.
Yes,
It would be 29 protons, 29 electrons, and neutrons would be 35.
Yeah, neutrons will be. This is
35.
29, 29 and 25, 30, 35.
35.
Yeah, 35. Okay. Yes. So I hope you are clear with this.
Yes.
And